Hello.
Hello.
What are your names?
I'm Tina, and this is Chandi, the amazing dancing dog.
A dancing dog, good.
Good girl.
So, why are you here today?
We're here today to hopefully show everybody how beautiful and talented my little rescue dog is.
Okay. And Tina, what do you work at?
I teach the piano and the violin.
Okay, in your own time.
Okay. Chandi,
Yeah. Music. We found a talented dog!
The audience are on their feet. Even the judges are on their feet.
Okay, Piers.
You know, Tina, I wish Simon was here today because he would have absolutely loved that. That has to be Chandi. I'm talking to you, Chandi.
Chandi.
You are the most talented dog I have ever seen on this show.
Chandi's like, yeah, hello. I can do your job as well, Piers.
Your dog is an accomplished dancer. Amazing.
It's just so lovely to see your relationship and how she just really wants to please you. To thank you for looking after her, I think. She's lovely.
It's the best dog act I've ever seen. I think Chandi is a star.
Yeah.
And has great likability.
What's wrong with her knee there?
Oh, she's just got a little sore on her leg that's almost healed.
Right.
Nothing wrong with her at all.
And
Still
So,
like
unlike certain members of our panel, she is sick but managed to bravely battle off.
absolutely, absolutely.
Well, Piers, yes.
I'm going to vote twice. Once on my behalf and once on Mr. Cowell's behalf.
Yes.
And it is 2 yeses.
Amanda.
Yes from me.
Tina and Chandi, you've got 4 yeses.